Hey everyone, me Kevin here. Just wanted to come to you with, honestly, a quick, short video to say three things. Number one, thank you. Thank you for being a supporter of the channel. Thank you for being amazing. And even if you have criticisms, letting me know about them down below, because I think we can all learn that way. So, short thank you. Second thing, a lot of people asking me, am I ultimately bullish on stocks and real estate in America? And yes, absolutely. And I know there are so many bear theses, but I think when we put it all aside, we just have to ask ourselves, where do we think everything's going to be in the next 10 years? And I couldn't be more optimistic. So again, there's going to be volatility. We'll probably have corrections again. Actually, we can guarantee we're going to have corrections again. Consider what we had in the run between 2010 through, let's say, about 2020, about COVID time. It wasn't just straight up. It was always something. It was the Eurozone's going to collapse. The Euro's going to the Euro dollar or whatever, the actual Euro currency is going to collapse. Then you got the China trade war, and oh no, is it saber rattling? Or are we going to war this time? It's always something. And I'm going to be here to cover every minute of all of it because it is useful. It's education. It gives us opportunities to buy the dip or to transition to new companies. But ultimately, I want to, obviously, I got to mention, yes, there's a price increase and a coupon expiration tonight, but you already know that. Don't want to rehash that. Ultimately, I wanted to make this to say thank you. And if it wasn't for all of you, I would feel like I wouldn't have much of a purpose. I mean, of course, family is an amazing purpose. I want to put that aside, but work gives me fulfillment. I really love it, and I love coming to now our live streams every day. I finally decided, you know what? When I didn't have live streams for a while, I'm like, I miss this. Like, I love doing the live streams, and now I'm doing them again, and I'm like, I love doing this. I wish I never stopped. So, thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate you. Have a wonderful weekend. Happy Father's Day. Happy Juneteenth. And we'll see you all soon. Thanks. Bye.